Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to kick off a new project in Figma and bring a team together seamlessly, you're in the right place. Today, I'm walking you through how to create a brand new Figma team from scratch. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up your team space, so you and your collaborators can hit the ground running and stay organized from day one. So let's dive right in. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to Figma. Open it up in your browser or launch the desktop app if you have it. Either one works just fine. It might sound simple, but starting in the right place ensures you're working in your main Figma account and not as a guest or in a different workspace. That's important because teams in Figma are tied directly to your user account. Now, once you're in Figma, look over to the left-hand sidebar. To start creating a new team, you'll want to click on your current team name, or if you're not part of any team yet, it might just show your account name. This is basically your main navigation hub in Figma, where you can see all your projects and, of course, your teams. Clicking on your team name here lets you manage which team you're working in, and in our case, create a brand new one. Next up, after you click on your team name, look for the Create New option. Think of this as adding a new folder for your collaborative work, but with a lot more power. When you click Create New, Figma will prompt you to set up the new team details. You'll see a space to type in your team name. This is your chance to get creative. The team name is what everyone will see when they're browsing their workspaces, so I'd recommend picking something clear and recognizable like Marketing Design or App Dev Team. Type in your chosen name, then go ahead and hit Create Team. At this point, Figma will ask if you want to add team members by entering their email addresses. This is totally optional right now, so don't stress if you're not quite ready to invite everyone just yet. Maybe you want to get the team space set up first, or you're still waiting on someone's email address. That's absolutely fine. You can simply skip this step for now and come back to it later, whenever you feel ready to add collaborators. The important thing is not to rush. It's easy to bring teammates on board at any time from your team settings. Before you dive into working together, Figma will ask you to choose a team plan. For most people starting out, especially if you're just testing the waters or collaborating on basic projects, the starter plan is the way to go. There's no cost at this tier, and you still get all the essential features needed to collaborate and organize files as a team. So go ahead and choose Starter. Just a quick click and you're all set. And that's it, you've officially created a new Figma team. Whether it's your first team or one of many, you now have a dedicated space to keep everything organized, invite the right people, and get to work more efficiently. If you have any questions along the way, or if something doesn't quite look the same on your screen, feel free to drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help you out. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more clear, friendly Figma tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.